home to the mountaineers.
I started out with 8-foot ladders, and I ended up moving to the 6. They work a whole lot better. We talked about using the pneumatic guns, and it just blew big holes and everything, especially this really thin material, and it wasn't holding very well. I was also going to have to come back and use a lot of wood putty, a whole lot of holes. Now that brings me to the big mistake that I actually made in doing this, and you would think I'd know better. I did not go through with a level and find my dips in this before I put it in and actually float those areas out. Because this was so pliable, I felt that I could move it into place without much trouble. Well, especially working by yourself, that's hard.